Start this problem. Look at this is a very application 2. Last equation application 2. Calculation of concentration of unknown solution. Look at this. A copper silver cell is set up. The copper ion concentration is 0.1 m. The concentration of silver ion is not known. The concentration of silver ion is not known. The cell potential when measured. The cell potential when measured was 0.422 watt. Determine the concentration. Determine the concentration of silver ion in the cell. Determine the concentration of silver ion in the cell. Given that E0 reduction potential of silver plus 0.80, reduction potential of copper 0.34 watt. देखो either this is the cell setup. Copper solid, copper 2 plus. Copper 2 plus concentration is 0.01 m. Ag plus concentration, this is unknown. We have to calculate the concentration of unknown silver ion. So the cell potential is given. The cell potential was 0.422. 0.422. What is cell potential? That is EMF of the cell. What is cell potential? That is EMF of the cell. Look at Ag plus. We have to calculate the concentration of unknown solution. We have to calculate the concentration of Ag plus unknown solution. Concentration of unknown solution, that is Ag solid. So reduction potential of Ag plus 0.80. Reduction potential of copper plus 0.34 volt. Reduction potential of copper 0.34 volt. So here copper 2 plus 0.1 m. Ag plus concentration is unknown. So in this type of question, so we have to first time simple a cell दिला, we have to calculate the EMF of the cell at 25 degree centigrade. R concentration and R concentration data given there. In this pattern questions, the concentration of copper 2 plus is given. Whether the concentration of Ag plus is not given, we have to calculate the concentration of Ag plus. हमें Ag plus का concentration देखो काढना. We have to calculate the concentration of Ag plus ions. Clear? So previous record था concentration of copper 2 plus बोले नहीं था Ag plus दो जरा concentration दो जरा ions का concentration दिला. Simple we have to calculate the EMF of the cell. But here EMF of the cell or cell potential is given. We have to calculate the concentration of one ions. This ion concentration is given. This ion concentration we have to calculate. Clear? So first. In this type of question, first we have to write the half cell reaction. Anode half oxidation, copper solid oxidized to copper 2 plus 2 electrons. Copper solid oxidized to give copper 2 plus 2 electrons. Cathode Ag plus 1 electron gives Ag solid. Here loses how much electron? 2 electrons. Here gains how much electron? 1 electron. So here 2, here 1. We have to multiply 2 in order to equalize it. जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का अनइक्वल थी यानी 2 1 we have to multiply 2 here 1 here we can multiply here 1 we have to equalize the electrons we have to equalize the electrons clear. So in order to equalize the electrons we multiply here 1 we multiply here 2 so n is 2 so n is equal. N should be always equal. If suppose it is 3 दिबो एटा 2 दिबो ये 2 multiply करिवो एटा 3 multiply करिवो so what equalize कर पाइछे if equal then it is not written देखो एटी जेहेतु 1 एटी 2 दिला एटी कोन कले हम 2 1 multiply कले एटी 2 multiply कले equalize होगा so n value is 2. Next we have to add left side right side. Left side copper solid plus 2Ag plus 2 multiply करा तो 2Ag plus equals copper 2 plus 2Ag 2Ag solid है ना. So this is net redox reaction. This is net redox reaction. So Q equal to copper 2 plus Ag solid square divided by copper solid plus Ag plus का square. तो क्या ये कोएफिशिएंट कितना है 2 अछि multiply 2 माने स्क्वायर हो गया 2. So here कोएफिशिएंट कितना है 2 अछि here Ag plus का square. कोएफिशिएंट जा दिबो रिएक्टर में प्रोडक्ट रे in whenever you write Q that will be power. It is a product concentration. This is reactant concentration. Product concentration copper 2 plus Ag solid coefficient 2 power आइगला तापर reactant concentration copper solid Ag plus coefficient 2 अछि coefficient 2 power Clear? Next, Ag solid and copper solid 1. As you know that you cancel करते हो, otherwise put करें भी से 1 का आशीर्वाद करें. Copper 2 plus concentration 0.1 m, 0.1 m into 1 Ag solid. Ag solid the 1. All pure solids and pure liquid, all pure solids and pure liquid value is 1. So here 1, 80 copper solid 1, 80 Ag plus is unknown, so that is C square. Ag plus is unknown, that is C square. Ag plus এটা লাগাতে Ag plus C square এটি কত আসলে 0.1 by C square 0.1 by C square clear Q এলা 0.1 by C square clear next এটা আসলে অর্থাৎ Q ভ্যালু পাই গেল Q এলা 0.1 by C square n ভ্যালু লাগাতে 2 next at 25 degree centigrade E cell we know that E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n kete 2 that is 2 okay log product by reactant that is Q kete achi Q la hum kar le kete achi 0.1 0.1 by C square log 0.1 by C square look at E cell value kete dekhi E cell is cell potential is EMF of the cell or require cell potential kete achi 0.422 E0 cell 0.46 0.422 এদিকে দেখ 0.46 minus 0.0591 by n কত আছে 2 আছে log 0.1 by c square log 0.1 by c square clear next এই টার্ম minus 0.591 by 2 log 0.1 by c square এটা লেফট সাইড নিয়ে আসি এই টার্ম দিস উইল বি পজিটিভ সো নেগেটিভ পজিটিভ minus 0.591 by 2 log 0.1 by c square equal to 0.46 minus of this 0.42 clear next log 0.1 by c square log 0.1 by c square equal to 0.46 minus 0.422 into 2 divided by 0.059 এটা আছে ওকে 1.288 এইটার ভ্যালু log 0.1 equal to 1.288 log 0.1 by c square equal to 1.288 so which is look at so 0.1 by c square equal to এটা 0.1 by c square log काय पडला antilog of 1.288 antilog এটা ভ্যালু কত আসলে 19.408 এটা को टेबल you have to already I have given you data from the first year that you should learn how to calculate the antilog value from this table log table clear so you will try to learn this because most of the electrochemistry problem in last equation log value will be given so in order to calculate this term this pattern you have to use the antilog term clear so 0.1 by c square equal to antilog of 1.288 19.408 so c equal to root over of 0.1 by 19.408 so which is equal to 0.071 so c is given so write this so write this Clear? This is a very important question. First, half cell लिख दो net redox reaction. NRR stands for net redox reaction. Net redox reaction. Net redox reaction लिख दो Q वाला product by reactant. Product वाला कहते copper 2 plus Ag solid 2 divided by copper solid Ag plus 2. एटा पके दो Q आसी. This is Q value. Next, at 25 degree centigrade, we have to apply initial equal to inner cell minus 0.591 by 2 log 0.1 by 6 square. So E cell 0.422 to 0.46 minus 0.591 by 2 log 0.1 by 6 square. Then 8 term को left side image करो positive नहीं करो रोइला करो 0.46 minus 0.42 0.42 तब log 0.1 by 6 square equal to 0.46 minus 0.42 to 8 का पड़ेगा 2 by 18. So 1.288. Zero point one by c square and log of 1.288 19.408 c equal to root over 0.1 by 19.40 c equal to 0.071 m 0.071 m है next question we have to calculate the pH of the solution. We have to calculate the pH of the solution. Next question. pH of the solution. Next, third application, we have to calculate the pH of the solution. Clear? So, next problem I am writing. Third application, calculation of pH of the solution. Clear? Calculation of pH of the solution. Next, I will calculate the potential for the half cell. Calculate the potential for the calculate the potential for the half cell containing calculate the potential for the half cell containing 0. Calculate the potential. Calculate the potential for the half cell containing 0.01 m K2 Cr2O7 aqueous 0.20 m Cr3 plus 0.20 m Cr3 plus aqueous and 1.0 into 10 to the power 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 m H plus aqueous. Calculate the potential for the half cell containing 0.01 m K2Cr2O7 aqueous, 0.20 m Cr3 plus aqueous and 1.0 and 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 m H plus aqueous. The half cell reaction is Cr2O7 2 minus aqueous plus 14H plus এটা দিয়েছি Cr3 plus 7H2. Look at এবারে এই কোশ্চেনে কোন করে কইছিল first oxygen is balanced by water. Oxygen, how much oxygen? 7 oxygen, 7 water you go to 10. So how much hydrogen? 7 into 2 14H plus 7 into 2 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus, that is 7 oxygen 7 water. So 7 into 2 14H plus. Next here the how much of এটা 14H plus, here minus 2 এটা কত এটা 4 minus 6, so minus 8 এটা কত আছে 14 8 6 so 6 electron. So look at here minus 2 into 3 kete 6 plus 6 epote gele minus 6 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Cr2O7 2 minus aqueous plus 14H plus 6 electron 2 Cr3 plus 7H2. Look at in this reaction N is 6. N is how much? 6. Next you have to write the equation, that is Q. Q in the time Q wala Q Cr3 plus seven, এটা কত 1 7 1 তো divided by Cr2O7 2 minus yeah, so एडी आउ क्वेश्चन देछि द स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज गिवन एति एडी क्वेश्चन आउ टिके छाडी देली द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन द स्टैंडर्ड electron potential is given. The standard electron potential is given is रहला calculate the potential for the half cell containing 0.10 M K2Cr2O7 aqueous, 0.20 M Cr3 plus aqueous and 1.0 and 1.0 × 10⁻⁴ M H plus. The half cell of the reaction is a half cell देछि एवं given the standard electron potential is given here. Given the standard electron potential is given is equal to 1.33 volt. Look at ए वाला रिएक्शन बतन आगे हाफ सेल लिखो एना को आगे आंसर है डायरेक्ट एगो लिखुनी एना हाफ सेल Cr2O7 2 plus 14H plus 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 Cr3 plus 7H2 एटी n कते n is 6 clear n is 6 q वाला Cr3 plus to the power 2 H2 to the power 7 it is Cr2O7 2 minus H plus. Next it is Cr3 plus value देछि देखो एटा देछि 0.20 to the power 2 0.20 to the power 2 divided by देखो एटा तो 1 होगा एटा 1 divided by Cr2 to 7 minus Cr2 कते देछि एटा देछि 0.10 0.10 into H plus कहते हैं 10 to the minus 4 to the power 40 है ना एटा में बड़ा स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखिए चलो ये बड़ा लिखिए डायरेक्ट .20 square divided by 0.10 into 10 to the power minus 4 okay clear এটা এইভাবে লিখতে হবে এই পুরোটা লিখতে 0.20 square divided by 'Clear? এটা লাগাতে q. This is q. Next, put this. We know that at 25 degrees centigrade, E cell equal to inner cell minus 0.0591 by n log q. Inert cell, देखो standard electrode potential inert cell is given 1.33 volt. So this is 1.33 minus 591 by n कहते हैं 6 log q. q वाला डिवाइड बाय 10 to the power minus 4 to the power 40. Next you have to calculate. Next you have to calculate this value. I am writing only the answer. 0.76 volt. এটা দেখো এটা সলভ করিব এটা 0.67 volt আছে না সরি 76 आंसर আছে এটা অলরেডি ইউ সলভ দিস log এটা log a minus log b कर दो log a minus log b this pattern of question. Another question I am giving home task on this pattern. এই pattern না এবারে আমরা question solve করিব ফার্স্ট রিডাকশন হাফ সেল লিখে দেব তারপরে কিউ ভ্যালু করে দেব তারপরে লাস্ট ইকুয়েশন লিখব ফার্স্ট রিডাকশন হাফ সেল লিখে দেব রিডাকশন হাফ সেল তো এটি দেইছি কিউ ভ্যালু করে দেব এন ভ্যালু বি রিডাকশন হাফ সেল এ আছে n value is given the number of electron involved in the reduction reaction that q value will product by reactant product by another question I am giving home task. Calculate the potential for the reduction of calculate the potential for the reduction of Mn calculate the potential for the reduction of MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus 825 degrees. Calculate the potential for the reduction of MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus 825 degrees centigrade. Given that MnO4 minus equal to Mn2 plus and pH equal to 7 and pH equal to 7 and inert cell equal to 1.1 and inner cell equal to 1.1. Inner cell equal to 1.1. Inner cell equal to 1.1 ହେଲା देखो ए पैटर्न रो क्वेश्चन ने ए पैटर्न रो क्वेश्चन को हाफ सॉल्व कर दोसी नेक्स्ट विल ट्राई टू कैलकुलेशन पार्ट यू विल कैलकुलेट इट है सो लुक एट ए पैटर्न रो रिएक्शन है फास्ट रिडक्स रिएक्शन का लिखो MnO4 minus the reduction reaction involved the reduction reaction involved is MnO4 minus Mn2 plus how much oxygen 4 4H2O plus 8H plus 5 vector. So this is the reduction reaction and n value is how much? N value 5. N value 5. Inner cell 1.1. Inner cell 1.1 volt. So এটা তো লাস্ট ইকুয়েশন কত দাও দেখো pH দিয়েছি 7 we know that pH equal to minus log base 10 H plus. So H plus equal to 10 to the power minus pH or H plus equal to 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 7. Next Q ఎలా होता है Q for this reaction Mn2 plus H2O to the power 4 divided by MnO4 minus 8H plus. So here MnO4 minus Mn2 plus it cancel. This is H2O. H2O H2O to the power 1 to the power 4 divided by H plus is 10 to the power minus 7 to the power 8. So Q लगा दे 1 by 10 to the power minus 7 to the power 8. 1 by 50 कहते हैं 1 by 56. अच्छा तो 1 by 56 कर दो 1 by 10 to the power minus 56. It has a Q. So this is the reduction reaction. Look at this is the reduction reaction involved. N value is 5 electron. N is 5. Then Q equal to product by reactant product Mn2 plus H2 to the power 4 divided by MnO4 minus H plus. pH is given minus log pH is given 7. pH we know that pH equal to minus log H plus equal to 10 over minus pH or H plus equal to 10 to the power minus 7. H plus equal to 10 to the power minus 7. So Q equal to Mn2 plus H2 to the power 4 divided by MnO4 minus H plus. So this equal to this. So this cancel. H2 to the 1 to the power 4, 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 7 to the power 8. 1 by 10 to the power minus 56. 1 by 10 to the power minus 56. This is Q. This is how much? This is Q. Next, we have to put it in the last equation. We have to put it in last equation. Look at and 25 degree centigrade E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.591 by n log Q. E naught cell is given as 1.1 volt minus 0.0591 by n is ours 5, then log Q. Q is 1 by 10 to the power minus 56. Next we do that. This is home task. This is home task. You have to calculate it. Clear? Next, last application. Last 4 number application. This is third application. Calculation of pH. Calculation of pH of the solution. Fourth application, to calculate the measurement of pH of a solution with the help of SHG. We have to measure the pH of the solution with the help of SHG, standard hydrogen electrode. We have to measure the pH of the solution with the help of SHG. We have to measure the pH of the solution with the help of SHG. We have to measure the pH of the solution with the help of SHG. Clear? We have to measure the pH of the solution with the help of SHG. Clear? Fourth application, to measure the pH of a solution can be done by using the solution as a part of hydrogen electrode. Fourth, the pH of the solution the pH of the solution can be determined by using the solution. pH of the solution can be determined by using this. The pH of the solution can be determined by using this solution. The pH of the solution can be determined by using this solution as a part of hydrogen hydrogen electron, then combine with SHG. Combine with SHG. The pH of the solution can be determined by using this solution as a part of hydrogen electron, then combine with SHG. So one part is hydrogen electron, next part is SHG, standard hydrogen electron. We have to combine the hydrogen electron with standard hydrogen electron. We know that the potential of standard hydrogen electron or standard hydrogen electron is 0. The potential of standard hydrogen electron is always 0. So we have to calculate this. This is the thing. How we have to calculate this. The cell diagram can be represented as, so what is actually left part is hydrogen electron, right part is standard hydrogen electron. Look at this, how the left part is given. Platinum, H plus. Look at this. This is hydrogen electron. We are using platinum because hydrogen is gas. We use platinum electron at first. We use platinum electron at last. Platinum color. Next is H plus aqueous unknown. H2 gas H plus. Next is H plus. এটা কমা দেব না দেখো এটা বি H2 এটা বি H2 here 1m18 standard condition 1 molar concentration and H2 gas, so this is SHE, this is SHE, this is hydrogen electron. Look at, so the pH of the solution can be determined by using this solution as a part of hydrogen electron then combined with SHE. So in order to measure the pH of the solution, we have to connect the hydrogen electron with standard hydrogen electron. The potential of standard hydrogen electron is always 0 volt. The potential of standard hydrogen electron is always 0. The potential of standard hydrogen electron is always 0. The potential of standard hydrogen electron is always 0. Clear? The potential of standard hydrogen electron is always 0. So the pH of the solution can be determined by using this solution as a part of hydrogen electron then combined with SH. Clear? So what is the electron reaction taking place? Next I am writing the half cell reactions. So reactions is H2 gas H plus H2 gas plus 2H plus 1m এটা আছে এটা 1m 2H plus unknown concentration 2H plus unknown concentration plus H2 gas. H2 gas. देखो बच्चा এটা হাফ গুণে দেওয়া সূত্রে হাফ গুণে দিলে কোন আসবে হাফ H2 হাফ H2 এটা 2 গুণে দিলে H plus এটা কত আসবে This is the equation. So either half cell reaction जब इसमें नंबर ही होगा डायरेक्ट लिख दो H2 कितना दो H2 gas oxidized to 2H plus 2 electron CTC 2H plus 2 electron এটা আসবে H2 gas এটি এড লাগাতে 2 নেক্সট এড করে দেব এটা কি আছে H2 gas 2H plus H2 gas plus 2H plus gives rise to 2H plus H2 gas. Left side add करो, right side add करो. मतलब इधर वाला this is the redox reaction. अब इधर देखो this is net redox reaction. इधर वाला half cell reaction add anode add cathode. इधर add anode इधर add cathode. So this is total net redox reaction. Net redox reaction. Clear? H2 plus 2H plus unknown plus H2 gas. So I got half one half H2 plus half H2 gas plus H plus 1m, H plus unknown constant plus half H2 gas. Next, we have to apply it and Q. Q लगा दे H plus partial pressure of H2. এটা product by direct product by direct increase. Product by reactant and E cell equal to inert cell Q or we can write 0.91 by n log product reactant. E0 cell আসলে E0 cell वाला कितना है 0. E0 cell is here 0 minus 0.091 by n log Q. Q कितना है product by reactant Q. Look at H plus এটা আসছে H plus unknown concentration. এটা unknown concentration কত হবে H plus unknown ঠিক আছে into এটা আসবে pH2 per half divided by H plus into sorry pH2 to the power half into H plus. Look at it H plus into H2 pH2 partial pressure of H2 to the power half डाला कोएफिशिएंट है তারপরে pH2 to the power half কোএফিशिएंट half into H plus টা দিয়েছি এটা 1 नेक्स्ट টার্মে ভ্যালু পুট कर दो ভ্যালু পুট कर दियो ভ্যালু পুট করে এটা pH2 भी 1 a pH2 भी কত है 1 partial pressure of hydrogen কত আছে এটা 1 atm এটা भी 1 atm. This is 1 H2 is always 1 atm. H2 is 1 atm and 1 partial pressure of hydrogen gas kete 1. So you will put this in this equation. So next I am writing first eta likho first la eta anode option cathode option eta net redox reaction tapore eta first step eta this anode and cathode second step net redox reaction this tapor this next आपको कंटिन्यू करना ହେଲା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲା ଏନୋଡ ଅପସନ ଏଟା ଏନୋଡ ଅପସନ କ୍ୟାଥୋଡ ଅପସନ ଲେଖିବ ତାପରେ ନେଟ୍ ରିଡକ୍ସ ରିଏକ୍ସନ ତାପରେ ସେଟା ପରେ ଏଟା ତାପରେ ଇନଜରସନ ପକେଇବ এইটা আসিব মাইনাস 0.591 n কত 1 এরা n কত here 1 n is 1 so এইটা আসিব log एटा सब कटि जीवो एटा केवल रहबो log H plus. So E cell equal to this much, and we know that minus log H plus के pH, so 0.0591 pH or pH equal to E cell by 0.591. लास्ट इक्वेशन एटा बा डिसिजन डेरिवेशन देखो ए क्वेश्चन केबे पकैनी तुमे खाली हेडिंग ता लिखिबो जदी से क्वेश्चन ना पकैला से एटार प्रॉब्लम पकै जदी प्रॉब्लम पकैला एटा केबे काउंसिल कोनोसी तरह आसी स्टिल मैं एटा एप्लाई कर देबी कारण एप्लीकेशन हेडिंग ना लिखिले ता बेस को प्रॉब्लम ना कर जदी तुमे फास्ट लिखिबो एटा हाफ सेल लिख देलो एटा हाफ सेल लिख देलो सेही लास्ट इक्वेशन पकैबो एटी स्टैंडर्ड ईएमएफ केते ना 0 potential of hydrogen electrode or standard hydrogen electrode is always 0. The potential of hydrogen electrode or standard hydrogen electrode is always 0. So এটা কত আছে 0 আসিলো তারপর এটা পকে দিলাম এটু log h plus এই ভ্যালু কত আছে 1 1 আছে এটি h plus p এইটা কাইবা এটা বি 1 আছে এটা বি কত আছে 1 আছে এইটা 1 আছে এটা কাইবা আছে এইটা কত আছে h2 1 আছে এইটা কাটি হবে কইছি আমি এইটা কাটি h plus টাকা পকাই দিলে log h plus minus log h plus টাকা pH so E cell equal to this much pH right minus log h plus this will be minus log h plus equal to pH minus log h plus equal to pH এটা E cell equal 0.0591 pH equal to E cell by this. Next we will solve problem. Yeah. Padi bhai. With this class is over. Clear? Next we will show the relationship between free energy and free energy change. Last part of this electrochemistry, that is the relationship between Gibbs free energy change and relationship between Gibbs free energy change in EMF of the cell and electrochemical series. After that, and one is Daniel cell. With this electrochemistry, whatever in the reduced laws given, that will be completed. Next 2 or 3 classes, I think that will be over. Thank you.